To transform information into knowledge, firm must expend additional resources to discover patterns, rules, and contexts where knowledge works. So this is a so-called requirement to transform information into knowledge. We used to say data alone is not good enough. Data alone, it can be meaningless if we don't transform into information. But this is the next step, to transform information into a knowledge, into a meaningful what we call information or knowledge. That particular firm must have expand additional resources in order to discover pattern, or we call pattern recognition within the information. Rules, some what we call conditions or rules or methods, how to do things, accordingly, and context where knowledge works. So these are some of the criteria that is important for the process of transforming information into knowledge, into useful information where we can make use it for decision making. Collective and individual experience of applying knowledge to solve problems requires factors such as where to collect the information, when and how to apply that information so that we can transform into knowledge. So it all depends on, like what I mentioned earlier, the experience, the skill that that particular person is having it, right? So it is important for your resources to be fully trained appropriately according to the business of nature or business requirement. And knowing how to do things effectively and efficiently in ways other organizations cannot duplicate. So this is the key, for some organization, why they are so successful compared to the competitors or similar other organization from different part of the world, or different companies, for example, especially when it comes to primary source of profit and competitive advantage, which cannot be purchased easily by competitors. There are many examples that we can quote. For example, Starbucks, why it is so popular compared to its own competitors. For example, there are many. Also goes for KFC, why the KFC is so successful, because they are having a so-called secret recipe. The same goes to secret belong to the business, for example, or what they call trade secret. And this trade secret normally will be known or owned by some very particular or specific